What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the watch list. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to lie. It's been a little bit of a crazy day. Only one trade for me, but with that being said, let's jump right into this watch list.
I've been getting dirty money.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long term, short term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.
Okay guys, I'm going to go over the one trade that I made today and the only one trade that I made, and it turns out I had took the smallest move that I could have possibly taken today, and it's okay though, because this is what really being a day trader is, and I want to make this a very clear point. We had a massive day today on the market. I only made below my average. I made $1,100 this morning in roughly around 15 minutes of the opening bell, and that's actually okay. And the reason I'm not upset is because I took something that fit my strategy. I took my profits where I wanted them to. I only had one trade that was available for me today that fit my strategy, and I ran with it. Now, I did watch the market here periodically throughout the day to watch these huge, massive runs today. But with that being said, everything is up. Tech is up. I mean, absolutely. The S&P 500, the Dow, everything. If you're in it today, you made money. Congratulations. But what does that mean? Are we going to continue to go up? Is there stimulus hope? Is there this? Is there that? There's still a lot of speculation. And something that I want to talk about, speculative risk. So you're all basing moves, or not just you guys, but everybody right now is basing risk off of what could happen. It's basically buy the rumor, sell the news. So there is no news out yet. There's just a lot of speculation, guys. I don't like speculative risk whatsoever. You really don't know it. It's also called gambling. So that's something that, where again, if it doesn't fit my strategy, I'm not trading, and that was the most important part of the day. So we're going to zoom in actually on the trade that I took today. Yep, that's it. That was the small little trade I took. It actually looks bigger if you fix this. So this was the trade today. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. It actually fell down here a little bit and then popped up for me. This was the first 5 minutes, of course. Second 10 minutes, so this was a 10-minute trade. I entered on this candle. It popped through. I actually didn't sell at quite the exact high, but I did get out before it hit brand new highs, and then it pulled back and then ran throughout the rest of the day, of course. Am I mad about that? Absolutely not. Could have I made 100 and something percent on my money? Absolutely. That is part of being in the market, guys. But with that being said, this is something, guys, to teach everybody. Not everything's going to go as well as you would like it to. Not everything's going to be perfect, but taking the trades that fit your strategy, that are high percentage winning trades, very, very high odds of winning, are the only trades you want to take. No speculative risk, no gambling, guys. That's what makes successful traders. I cannot stress that enough. But what I'm watching for tomorrow, honestly, is are we going to run again and wait for maybe a late week pullback? Or are we going to push even higher? Now, the only reason I'm speculative about all of this is because I really don't see a reason to keep going higher. Unless, of course, a stimulus comes out or something like that. But there is no news of that actually happening. It's all speculative, and there's really no reason for me to push money back into the market. Apple had a fantastic day. Everybody knows I'm a huge fan of Apple. The only thing that I've been able to take a trade on was actually the Future/ES. If you guys traded the Mini as well, the E-Mini, congratulations. Futures is something I will start talking about here soon. I've been working on it for the past few months. But again, it's not something that I'm an expert in whatsoever. I'm literally taking the strategy that I use for stocks and for options and moving it over to futures. If you guys haven't done any futures research yet, please do your research before ever entering into a trade or anything like that. So with that being said, guys, what I'm watching tomorrow, strictly Amazon SPY, Apple, Microsoft, possibly BABA, because Alibaba got a price raise. If you guys don't know what ticker that is literally BABA, and you guys can see here they hit new highs. and it's absolutely, again, it's with everything else. Everything is just absolutely running, guys. So more than likely, we're going to have another green day tomorrow, especially after this large day. And we had a little bit of a pullback here at the end on both SPY, Apple, and Amazon. And now we're going to see really what kind of damage we can do here this week. Are we going to get back on track? Or is it going to be crazy for this next month until election? My bet is probably it's going to be crazy, what we're about to see. So thank you guys all for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night or tomorrow morning. If you guys are one of my students, I try live every day, Monday through Friday, and literally show you guys this exact screen. You guys can you guys see my strategy, you guys see my orders go through, everything. If you guys have any questions about that, please DM me, leave a comment, and I will get a hold of you. Thank you, and have a great day.